Slothana, the latest sensation in the meme crypto world, has captured the attention of investors on the Solana network. Following a successful $15 million pre-sale, Slothana is now listed on several top exchanges, achieving an impressive 220% gain in just 3 days. This project has exceeded early expectations, rewarding pre-sale investors with triple the value of their initial investments. With such rapid growth, many are now questioning whether it's too late to invest in Slothana's native token, Sloth. This article explores the origins and ongoing development of this intriguing meme project, urging potential investors to act quickly before Slothana's ascent continues. Slothana, $Sloth. The Sloth sprints amid Solana's bullish surge. The Solana network has recently experienced a resurgence, with its total value locked, TVL, soaring to $4 billion. This surge reflects growing confidence in Solana's potential, partly driven by the rise of meme cryptos, which have contributed to its price appreciation. Analysts predict significant price growth for Solana, potentially reaching new all-time highs. Slothana, the newest meme crypto on the Solana network, is capitalizing on this bullish momentum. Despite its laid-back mascot, Slothana has ambitious goals, aiming for a $420 million market cap. Although the project hasn't announced a specific real-world use case, it thrives on meme culture and humor. Defying its slow-moving namesake, Slothana's pre-sale raised over $15 million within weeks. Upon listing on Radium, Jupiter, and Meteora, the project saw a remarkable 220% increase. With further growth on the horizon, Slothana is poised to compete with leading Solana projects in 2024 and beyond. For those who missed the pre-sale, there are still ample opportunities, as evidenced by nearly $40 million in trading volume within the past 24 hours. The team recently announced their first centralized exchange, CEX, listing on BitTrue, with rumors of additional listings stirring excitement. For investors, CEX listings are significant catalysts for price surges, as demonstrated by Dogwifhat, which reached a $3 billion market cap following multiple CEX listings, including Binance. Despite some price consolidation, Slothana remains strong, trading at $0.047, minus 13% from its all-time high, with a market cap nearing $100 million. Achieving its goal of a $450 million market cap could result in a 4x price increase for new investors. Slothana's journey is just beginning, and its development continues to attract attention. Slothana's ongoing development and potential price action in a crypto landscape rife with pre-sale scams and rug pulls, Slothana stands out as a promising project on the Solana blockchain. Since reaching its all-time high of $0.0562 on May 13, 2024, the Sloth community is abuzz with excitement. Crypto analysts attribute Slothana's bullish momentum to several key factors.